Tuko, it's game day. Are you ready? Peas and carrots.
Pavi, it's time to come out of hiatus.
Dang. And we're back. Oh, that was very coffee with current. Oh, what's the conjecture, you guys? Hey, yo, misfits! Pavi and Nami back again to help you build your brand and kick ass in your career, you beautiful unicorn. So you may have noticed that we've sort of been MIA for a jiggly bit. So where were we, Pavi?
We were on a break!
So we didn't really take a break. Breaks are for like new moms taking a break from work, or a 9-to-5er taking a break to be an entrepreneur, right?
Kidding, none of those are breaks.
We've been focusing on building our business and making some money. Well, if you've forgotten, we're Nami and Pavi. I'm a former engineer. She's a former supply chain analyst. We started making YouTube videos for the South Asian community to talk about unemployment. Serendipitously, we got hired by companies and entrepreneurs to do videos for them. So we started a video marketing company called Misfit Communications.
And your time is done.
So essentially, we're your best friends who make your marketing videos that convert.
You know, being total rabid extroverts and people persons.
People's peoples.
Yeah. We thought, let's just use that to our advantage and make some money off it. So we took a page out of our YouTube playbook and started helping others tell their stories in a really fun, engaging way to sell their stuff. So we help businesses and entrepreneurs really hone their messaging and look amazeballs on camera. Basically, we help them market themselves in a really awesome way.
But we decided to lay low because we really wanted to prove out our process, and we weren't really sure if this would work because we've only done our own videos.
Yeah.
Sing it for me, John Raffio.
Imposter syndrome!
In the process, because we didn't really separate the two brands, 9-to-5 Misfits and Misfit Communications, we kind of had an identity crisis. So we decided to come out of hiding, separate the two brands, and own the shit out of it.
So what does that mean for us and you now? Guys, we're having the talk. Where's this relationship going?
Ugh, I'm leaving now. Good day.
So we still very much want to do 9-to-5 Misfit content because that's our baby and that's the most close to our heart. And that's going to follow our original formula of crushing it as a misfit in the Desi community. But we'll also be making edutainment content for Misfit Communications. So that's really going to be a lot of videos about personal branding, video, and storytelling. Because that is important to our client base.
So some topics we'll be covering are what to expect when you're getting a video made, what is a video worth, what are the benefits of doing DIY video, and some myths about being good on camera. We have all the answers. And of course, no more hiding behind the camera. We'll be putting up case study style videos of our clients so you guys can see our work.
So now we want to hear from you. With the separation of the two brands, 9-to-5 Misfits focusing on Desi content and Misfit Communications focusing more on video and storytelling and personal branding, do you want to see that Misfit Communication stuff on the 9-to-5 Misfit page? Is that of value to you? Let us know in the comments below. And guys, if we haven't said it enough, we love our Misfit community. So we're so excited to bring you some kick-ass brand new content coming soon.
Alright, and we'll see you with a brand new video next week. Bye!